Song of the Year award. Hisense, please come back for Song of the Year. Hisense, please. Because of your generosity, please come back and award Song of the Year. Hisense. We also have someone called King CK, who is a friend from Austria. We have YouTuber. Yeah, he's a YouTuber from Austria. We recognize you. So please. So, winner for the Song of the Year award.
Lil Balil. Wakere.
King CK.
Pull up the tune! Pull up the tune!
Wow, this is a big team. You have a whole team. Wait a minute. Once you receive your award, we will expect you to perform for us one song. So are you ready to do that? Yeah. Okay, thank you so much. So receive your award first and think about the song you're going to do for us. Okay. Thank you so much. Okay.
waa mahadsantiin horta marka hore waxaa u mahad celinaa inta qof ay codeysay iyo xafladan quruxda badan dadka isku soo abaabulay sidoo kale waxaa u mahad celinaa familkeyga waxaa idin leeyahay wiilkiina maanta wuu guulaystay Song of the Year horta inaan qaada aan ma u malaynay laakiin waxaan leeyahay ilaaha mahad iska leh so waan idin baafanaa insha Allah taala wada badbadna wada raaxaysan insha Allah yeah Wakere, baby, one nigga dead, keep calling. Wakere, baby, one nigga dead, keep calling. Naftana dumbe kudonesa, nawar ki jail kala buka. Naftana dumbe kudonesa, nawar ki jail kala buka. Aku ya dadan imu kan sidenu nolada, adigoo dhankayga joogin nolol ma itaala, hadadan macaanay imu kan farxad ma itaala.
taalan yartiya tabayay waxa aan ku taabay jacaylka yadiisa
you my sokol sokol. You know I'm the bokol. Kalay kori sokol. Don't jail ka sokol. Kung kunang kudeliyo. Kashkiya love to geliyo. Way wada way sita falak falak. I just wanna go inside dalak dalak. Yartuwa wa wa malak malak. Sige sigara.
DJ, thank you so much. Thank you, Lil Balil and CK. Thank you so much.